What does CUBRIC mean to me?
Community.
Opportunity.
Ambition.
But always grounded.
Always open.
Always supportive.
CUBRIC's mission is to pioneer and apply advanced neuroimaging methods
To gain new insights into brain structure and function in health and disease.
And to use this information to improve cognitive and health outcomes.
It's a place to realize your ideas.
We embrace the new technology and ideas to know the unknowns.
We have world-leading expertise, excellent facilities, and opportunities in a friendly environment.
People are happy to share their knowledge and realise that everybody has something to offer.
The centre includes a multidisciplinary community with a wide range of expertise from psychology to physics.
CUBRIC will be the leading human brain imaging center in understanding human cognitive behavior and diseases.
And we have state-of-the-art facilities to achieve this, including MRI, MEG, EEG, brain stimulation and sleep labs.
We are delivering cutting-edge research that promises to really make a difference to people with brain injury and disease.
So if we can find ways to detect these diseases or these problems, or if we can just discover how they work in a bit more depth, then we can hopefully help people in the future who have those problems.
So with support from multiple funders, including the EU, MRC, EPSRC and Wellcome, we've become the ultimate neuroimaging centre. We have the equipment and the know-how to help you to achieve your goals and ambitions. What will CUBRIC mean to you?